Hello everyone, my name is Harshil and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Webday with Harshil. So guys, today we will see two new topics in the HTML, which is the block quote tag and Q tag. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will see the block quote tag. So the block quote tag defines the section which is quoted from the another source. Okay, so it want to say that in the block quote tag, the section, or we can say that our content which is taken, quoted means taken from the another source. Okay, so block quote tag defines that, let's say in the our website, we have some more content, right? Lots of content will be there. Okay, so in that, some content will be that, some content is there, like that content is taken from the another source. Okay, so that is defined the block quote tag. Okay, so that is the thing, block quote tag. I hope you have clear idea about this definition. Okay, so the browser indent the block quote tags. Okay, so first of all, what is the indent? Okay, indent means giving some margin from the left side. Okay, margin means white space. Okay, so white space from the left side for the whole content. Okay, that is the our indent, and browser indent the block quote tags. Okay, we will see the practical example also. So now let's see the syntax. So here we have to write the block quote, and then we have to write the our site attribute. Okay, so inside the site attribute we have to write the website URL. From there we have taken the content. Okay, so then we have to write the content which is taken from this particular website, and then we have to close the our block quote tag like this. Okay, so this is the our block quote tag. I hope you have clear idea about the block quote tag. Okay, so now let's move forward to the Q tag. Okay, so the Q tag defines the short quotation. Okay, short quotation means, first of all, what means quotation? Okay, quotation means we have seen that we have double inverted comma and single inverted comma. Okay, so in the previous slide we have that, you can see this is called the double inverted comma, or we can say that double quotes. Okay, so quotes means this. Okay, we have double quotes and single quotes. Okay, so that is the double quotes, and quotation means putting the text inside that double inverted comma, or we can say that double quotes. Okay, so Q tag defines the short quotation. Okay, means whatever things we have, let's say content, that we are writing inside the double quotes. Okay, so that is the Q tag, and the browser display the content inside the double quotes. Okay, so I hope you have clear idea about the Q tag. Let's see the our syntax. Okay, so the syntax is clear. Okay, like a P tag. Okay, you can see here Q tag is there, and content, and then closing of Q tag. Okay, so now let's see the practical example. So now in my atom text editor, in the previous video we have seen the HTML invalid text formatting tags. Okay, like a big and TT. Okay, so now I will write the title here as a block quote and Q tag. Okay, now I will go to the body part, and I will add the h1 tag, that this is h1 tag, and I will write the P tag also, that this is P tag, like this. Now save it, and I will open it in my Chrome browser, and if I refresh here, then you can see h1 and P tag is there, means our browser, means our tag are working properly. So now we will do the for the block quote tag. Okay, so if I write here inside the P tag block quote. Okay, so you can see here we have one site attribute here. So if I write here, let's say www.google.com, I'm writing here. Okay, and I am putting here dummy text. Okay, in the any text editor we have a dummy text. What we have to write here, lorem. Okay, so you can see it is giving me suggestion. Okay, so if I press enter, then you can see the dummy text is there. Okay, so I'm taking the somewhat dummy text like this. Okay, now let's save it, and if I refresh in my Chrome browser, then you can see our dummy text is there. Okay, but it is indent. Okay, you can see the white space is there from the left side. Okay, so this is the block quote tag. I hope you have clear idea about block quote tag, but still if you have any doubt in the block quote tag, about the definition, about the how it is working, what is the syntax, why it is syntax, okay, then you can ask me in the comment. Okay, so now let's move forward to the our p tag, and sorry, not p tag but q tag. Okay, so here it is calling me the site attribute for requesting me, but I don't want site because it is just a quotation, right? We don't require the site attribute. Okay, so that is the thing. And if I write here, let's say this is Herschel. Okay, like this I have written. Now if I save it and if I refresh here, then you can see the this is Herschel is written inside the double quotes. Okay, and these double quotes are different from the our normal quotes. Okay, if I write here double quotes like this, okay, outside the q tag. Okay, let's save it and refresh, then you can see these double quotes are different. Okay, so these double quotes are different. Okay, and you can see the outside of this q tag, the double quotes are selecting, but inside the q tag it is not selecting. Okay, so that is the thing, and I hope you have clear idea about the block quote tag and q tag. So that's all about this video. I hope you have clear idea about the block quote tag, that what is the block quote tag, what is the definition, how it is working, and what is the syntax for that, and same for the q tag. Okay, so guys, if you have still any doubt in this, then you can ask me in the comment. Guys, do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification videos on our channel. So guys, like our video and share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next time.